Good day, everyone. I am Professor Frank. Today, our topic will be on marketing communication planning. Marketing communication planning is the foundation of every branding strategy. Without planning, communication becomes random. With planning, communication becomes strategic. Marketing communication planning aligns communication efforts with business goals. It ensures that every message serves a clear purpose. It prevents waste of resources. It improves effectiveness. The first step in planning is understanding the market. Markets are not homogeneous. Customers are different. Their needs are different. Their expectations are different. This is where market segmentation becomes important. Market segmentation means dividing a broad market into smaller groups. Each group shares similar needs or characteristics. In consumer markets, segmentation is often based on demographics, age, income, gender, location. It may also be based on lifestyle, values, buying behavior. Consider the Malaysian market. A skincare brand may target young urban professionals in Kuala Lumpur. The same brand may target middle-income families in Johor with a different message. The product may be similar, but the communication differs. Now, consider business-to-business markets. B2B segmentation is different. It focuses on industry type, company size, purchasing behavior. The buying process is longer. More people are involved. Decisions are rational and structured. For example, a Malaysian logistics software company may target large manufacturing firms in Penang. Its message will focus on efficiency and cost savings. It will not focus on emotion. Understanding the difference between consumer and B2B markets is critical. Each requires a tailored communication strategy. Digital media has changed segmentation practices. Consumers access content through smartphones and tablets. Traditional newspapers face declining readership. Magazines compete with online platforms. In Malaysia, many brands now prioritize social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. These platforms allow targeted advertising. Messages can be customized for specific age groups and regions. Effective segmentation improves relevance. Relevance improves engagement. Engagement improves results. Marketing communication planning begins with this clarity. Once segmentation is clear, positioning becomes the next priority. Positioning is about perception. It is about the place a brand occupies in the customer's mind. A product must stand out from competitors. If it does not stand out, it becomes invisible. Positioning answers a simple question. Why should customers choose this brand? A brand can position itself based on benefits, quality, innovation, price, reliability. Let us consider examples. Tesla positions itself as innovative and environmentally responsible. It is not marketed simply as a car. It is marketed as advanced technology with sustainability. In Malaysia, Proton has repositioned itself in recent years. After collaboration with Geely, Proton emphasized improved quality and modern design. The communication shifted from affordability alone to value and technology. Positioning can also focus on price and quality. A premium brand communicates exclusivity and superior performance. A value brand communicates affordability and practicality. The key is consistency. If a brand claims premium quality, but advertises heavy discounts constantly, the positioning becomes unclear. Positioning must be reflected in every message. Advertising, digital content, public relations, retail environment. Consumers form brand images through repeated exposure. Every message contributes to perception. Think of brands such as Mercedes-Benz. The name immediately signals prestige. This perception is not accidental. It is the result of consistent positioning. Effective positioning strengthens brand recall. It strengthens loyalty. It reduces direct price competition. Marketing communication planning must therefore define positioning clearly. Without positioning clarity, communication lacks focus. After segmentation and positioning are defined, objectives must be established. Objectives provide direction. They define what the campaign aims to achieve. Objectives must be clear and measurable. For example, increase brand awareness among university students by 20% within 6 months. Generate 5,000 qualified leads within 1 quarter. Increase online sales by 15% by year-end. These objectives must align with overall business goals. Marketing communication objectives often focus on awareness, knowledge, attitude, preference, purchase intention. Measurement is important. Without measurement, success cannot be evaluated. Now let us consider budgeting. Budgeting determines how resources are allocated. No organization has unlimited funds. There are several methods for setting budgets. One method is percentage of sales. Another is matching competitors. Another is objective and task method. The objective and task method is more strategic. Funds are allocated based on what is required to achieve objectives. In Malaysia, during economic downturns, some companies reduce marketing budgets. However, research shows that brands that maintain communication during difficult periods often recover faster. Marketing communication spending should be viewed as investment, not merely as cost. Digital media now receives a larger portion of budgets. Consumers spend many hours online daily. Therefore, digital platforms attract higher investment. However, overconcentration on one platform can be risky. Budgets should be diversified across channels. Planning is not static. It is continuous. Objectives must be reviewed. Budgets must be adjusted. Market conditions must be monitored. Effective marketing communication planning creates order. It aligns segmentation, positioning, objectives, and budget. Let me conclude. Marketing communication planning is strategic. It begins with understanding the market. It defines positioning. It sets measurable objectives. It allocates resources carefully. When planning is systematic, communication becomes powerful. When planning is weak, communication becomes ineffective. As postgraduate students, you must evaluate whether communication plans are coherent. You must assess whether objectives are measurable. You must question whether budgets support strategy. Marketing communication planning is not creativity alone. It is structured decision-making. Thank you. We will explore tactical implementation strategies in our next session.